This is Business First. Business First is underwritten by Southwest Michigan First, the Kalamazoo region's economic catalyst.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us for Business First. I'm Ron Kitchens. If you drive to downtown Kalamazoo, you can't help but see that great big crane sitting there at the side of the new Miller Canfield Law Office. Joining us this morning to talk about what Miller Canfield does is Senior Principal Phil Torrence. Phil, I know you're a full-service law firm, but let's talk today about the life science side of your business. Will you tell us about it?
Sure, Ron. We're very excited about what's happening there. Thanks for having us here today, and we appreciate what you and Southwest Michigan First do for our community. We've been very excited to see what's happened with our local office and our firm over the course of the past 6 years. We went from 0 patent attorneys in Kalamazoo to over 20 patent professionals as of today, and we're looking at hiring more each and every month. It's been very exciting for us. We've also built out a venture capital transactional team that's participating in venture capital transactions both locally and on both coasts. It's really given us a wonderful opportunity to showcase our local talent.
I know I used your office at MIT near Harvard when we were out there in Boston. And why grow there?
Well, we have had a wonderful opportunity to capitalize on some relationship, actually dating back to some Upjohn days of some of our senior principals that had relationships with folks who were in-house at Big Pharma that decided they wanted to go try something different. We've leveraged those, enabled those folks to partner with us and open an office for us, and we're really excited about what that's going to mean for our local clients.
We're excited to see Kalamazoo go to Harvard. It's a great day for us. We're excited to have you join us each week.
Thank you for joining us for Business First with Ron Kitchens, CEO of Southwest Michigan First, the Kalamazoo region's economic catalyst.